Hi, I'm Kelsey here at McLean's RV. Today we're taking a walkthrough of the KZ Connect 231 RVK. This travel trailer is 5,260 pounds dry, 28 feet long, 3 inches. Here at the very front we have our electric tongue jack and 40 pounds of propane. As we come along here to the side, we've got our Furion solar charge, pre-wired for solar so you can trickle charge that battery with your own solar panels. Magnetic closure here at the top and pass-through storage with lighting. As we come along here on the side, we've got a beautiful big awning with LED underlighting and 2 LED lit outdoor Bluetooth speakers. Got 2 outlets here on the exterior. And a campfire kitchen, small beverage refrigerator, and a gas grill. As we come around here to the back, we've got our spare tire and our satellite and cable hookup here. We've got our 30 amp hookup here, black tank flush, and an outdoor shower. On the very front of our driver's side, that's where you'll find your freshwater hookup and city hookup. Let's take a look inside. We've got solid step aluminum steps here as we enter, and a dog latch, leash latched for your pet. Right here on my left, we've got our control panel for our water heater, our slide, our awning, everything you could need right here. Got a beautiful dinette here, which of course sinks down for more sleeping. A nice, beautiful window here for lots of light, and we've got under storage here as well. Our entertainment center is right behind me. Room for a TV right here. And we've also got a Furion sound bar below and some extra storage beneath there as well. Got a beautiful big residential refrigerator here. A 3-burner gas cooktop with a nice glass backsplash here, and a small oven. Microwave up top with some kitchen storage here. Really nice, beautiful marble look countertop. So let's come on into the bathroom. We've got a nice walk-in shower here with sliding doors. Small countertop to my left, and toilet, and an enormous storage space here for clothing or whatever you like. As I head over here to the master, we've got a pull-out sofa, extra sleeping space there, and a queen bed here in the master bedroom with his and hers closets on each side, and electrical outlets on each side as well for easy charging. This bed also lifts up and supports itself so you can access some storage underneath there as well. The master bedroom also has a spot for a TV if you'd like to mount a TV here inside the bedroom. This has been the KZ Connect 231 RVK here at McLean's RV. Come take a look.